So, I had extra gardening stuff, and due to the fire, we weren't able to really get any of our outside stuff done like we wanted to. So, we went and picked out some wood locally. We sanded it, we got some varnish, and then we put these little babies. And believe you me, these are from the dollar store. Put some washer behind it, and this is our official towel rack because our contractors are still not talking. Awesome, eh? When you're pissed off, do it yourself and it actually makes you happy.